Hello guys, today our friends of FRANI have sent us a set of 2 HEPA filters for the Tesla Model 3 from 2016 to 2025 and for the Model Y from 2020 to 2025. These two filters are specifically designed for just these vehicles. You will also get instructions on how to remove the panels to replace your filters. The custom fit for the Tesla Model Ys is tailored specifically for the Tesla Model 3 2016 to 2025 and Model Y 2020 to 2025. Ensuring a precise fit that enhances the vehicle air circulation system. It does have an advanced multi-layer filtration that combines 3 filtration layers, a primary filter for dust, a HEPA layer for fine particles, and an activated carbon layer that helps reduce unpleasant odors, enhancing the overall air quality in the cabin. The tools included for this installation is a Torx T20 and this pry tool. That's all we're going to need to replace our filter. Let's get it installed. Okay guys, so installation should be very simple. First thing is remove all this seat to the back. Then you're going to reach this compartment right here. And we're going to use our pry tool to open it. Remove this right here. And this one also. Okay. And disconnect anything that you might not want to pull out or damage. Then you will start pulling this part, okay, so that way you can get it off. Okay, so finally this part is actually removed. Okay. Time to use our Torx tool. We're going to be removing this screw right here. The next step is to install the filter replacement. You will make sure this carbon activated, it's going to be facing you, and then this filter part is going to be facing the front of the vehicle. You will install it in. The next steps are actually just putting everything back how it was. So it's everything that we just did, but backwards. Definitely a very simple process to get completed. I hope that the information about this 2-pack HEPA filters for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.